What's up guys, this is MySQL Gyan and today we are going to unbox MyBuddy K9 Pro. So without further delay, let's get it started. So this is MyBuddy K9 Pro from Portronics. As you can see, Portronics is giving 1 year product warranty on this product. So basically it's a laptop stand along with mobile stand. Previously we have done unboxing for previous version of Portronics where we have only laptop stand. So let's check quickly what's inside the box. So we have one tool to fasten or soften the screws, and here it is. Okay, so we have MyBuddy K9 Pro user manual. Okay. Register your warranty by scanning this QR code. As you can see, here is the stand we are waiting for. Build quality is pretty premium. Okay, so basically what you need to do with this is rotate it anti-clockwise to loosen the screw and rotate it clockwise to tighten the screw. Okay, anti-clockwise and clockwise. As you can see, we have tightened the screws. You can adjust it and then tighten the screws as per your convenience, right? Okay, tightening is done. Okay, so here is the closer look. This stand is very well built, very sturdy, as you can see. This tool is also very helpful. Major difference in this generation is the mobile stand.